night is us showcasing ourselves. We've just relaunched, we've spent £500,000 on the venue. It's about us showing what we've actually grown up as a company. It's entertainment, it's party, it's casual dining, it's fun for city people. The venue's split over 4 floors essentially. We've got the mezzanine on the top floor, overlooking the main bar. The main bar is the ground floor bar, 550 people capacity. Basement level -1 is the vault, the original bank vault from the Midland Bank. And the next floor down is the club bar, so over 4 floors altogether. Affluent 25 to 40-year-old demographic. Obviously we're largely city employee based, so there's people coming to us. It's a very big post-work occasion. Like I said, a very big lunch occasion with people that work in the area. Friday night, Thursday night, they're party nights. We trade till late. We do have a club. We have DJs in, we have live music, so it is a big party atmosphere. But like I said, it's casual dining as well. It's a place to come and have a bottle of wine after work. It's a mixture of both.